Ngisimine the silent treatment. Uyabona Thokozani nicabane. Nizona la ngiphethe munye lapho.
Yeah.
Nicabene nishayisana ngemahlombe nje. Ubona nje uva ngema
Lekawula umuntu lesitiye.
Asifuni itiya.
Nifunani?
Ngoda.
Akunama.
Unani?
Akunama.
Asifuna something for the weaker.
Yes, girl.
You said it's the week.
Uzani itiye.
Oh, no, that's perhaps like EBP. We're still young and fresh.
Washa.
Except.
Uyabona nje.
Ukuthi manje iFriday vele. iFriday noma ngolesihlanu.
Ngilesihlanu. Ngilesihlanu.
Ngishayekile. Anandlu.
Zakala.
Anamali. Nyashankara.
Ziyakala.
Ngufabona mina soft life.
Soft life.
Cappuccino, yazi cappuccino.
Ngeke. Awufanele ibisi lapho.
Ubuwe.
Akhbar.
Thanda izi.
Yini kodwa conflict.
Yini yakubheka?
Akhbar.
Except.
Funeka yona eclist ke sithi compensate.
Noma seyi Jacobs ke.
Awu, into zabelungu lezi. Sina sima Africans.
5 roses.
Sina sifuna lo.
Africans indeed ube. Ngithathe lo mthombo wale England senifuna kubaba Queen Elizabeth ngicela.
Mbona la dress code ni bo pink ni machine, bo pinky. Manje mphethe bo pinky namuhla. Injani bo pinky?
It's a girl thing.
Yeah,
you won't understand.
Indeed it is.
I just and cut. Akas ngeke. Awu ngeke. Guys, welcome to the Blue Art Podcast. Angisazi wesiku episode number 1, but please guys, Santanda, you're still tuned in. Episode number 10, 13, 14, but siya episode 100. Funa ukuthi makuphela lo mnyaka lo sibe siku episode 100. Siyancanya guys, we love you all of you with the love of the Lord. Welcome to the Blue Art Podcast. Please don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and also there's a comment section there. Sanicela please please ngicela nibacele Nkosi yami. Please.
Assemble.
Merci, please.
So ubabonga phela uthi merci.
Oh, okay,
Please.
Yeah.
Sanicela bafethu.
And that notification bell.
Ngicela lapho. So that every time whenever we drop
Yes.
ukhona ukutshela ukuthi save Nitix sokhona. We are coming all the way from Shiseleni region. Scott Esinamandla. I'm your host today, Thokozani Dube, aka Chores Makazi. Please guys, here we are having meaningful conversations. As Dlali lana. We're having conversations that touches the heart and uplifts the soul.
Yeah.
Angihambi ngedwa ke namhlanje noma niyabona bayaphapha. Asazi noma yophapha ngalutho ama introductions. Sawuzwela ke thina ukuthi kwenzakalani. Guys, welcome to the Blue Art Podcast.
Thank you.
Merci
beaucoup. Merci beaucoup is thank you in French.
Yes.
Thank you.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Hey, I'm like zenginge namuhla.
Thank you.
Please guys, I'm giving you this opportunity nibavusele laba ubukele khona emakhaya. Whether babukele nge-laptop, ifoni, whether radio, ebhasini, everywhere they are. Ngicela nibavusele emakhaya.
Hi guys, Nenjani. It's your girl Pewers. Call me Simpwe Mkonda. Silagu Blue Podcast.
Sanibonani guys, it's me Intombi yasemakhaya. Intombi yaseBheneza. Ekasi. Sithi eBhenekasi ngingibongisile ngabasimelani.
Anya pha. Lesi ngiyajola yini nini ngoba yini?
Khohlwa ngemjo.
Washa.
Ngiyajola yini nini?
Asosibuke nje si. Ngibani lo ngekasifune ethi.
Washa.
Umbani? Guys.
Simphi uyajola yini?
Imama ngibalunge kangifune senfe kuphunga.
Yeah.
Uyabo.
Hayi anginathi kuphila.
Natha.
Vama uyajola yini?
Ntwana. Asibambe lapho nje sithi.
wathi Ramaphosa kwena ngesikhathi se COVID abantu beteleka in so by the time abantu bethanda kunatha kakhulu utshwala wathi Ramaphosa yini lesetshwaleni nami ngiyabuza yini lesemjolweni
lasibude wena yini lesemjolweni buka nawe khona nje ukuphendula
Dube
washa
emjolweni muhle mubi kahle
usempini
wonke umuntu uyalifuna lithando ukuthi eve nje ukuthi
I am loved
kune-belonging nje yathi kunemuntu nje lothi uthanda mina wena ungayilahla kwele opportunity nje ukuthi athi umuntu I love you babe wayilahla
usho kona yini noma
seblo
Dube khona ke kusiye ngabayasiyena kodwa uyathi nakayishito lento isimhle uphiza ukhumbula maybe ngiyadrebula wesifane but nje sowushito lokusala
bese niyahamba
uba kubuka nje umfana wakho nomtshela ukuthi uyangithanda
yeah okay
ujabula beyini
ujabula
ungade wafuna kuva wena ukuthi cha yathi ngiyakuthanda yilami nguni ngisiyami uva le nhliziyo ithi uva nje ngathi iyasuka ihlala kahle nje iyehla
yamishati tikiti Sema magama nithi you guys you are in happy relationships baniphethe kahle
how do you define
a happy relationship
how do you define
okay maybe okay I feel like it's a question that I need to pose to you guys what is a happy relationship or what is a relationship maybe according to your own experience ungasikhulumeli umuntu akazikhulumeli
akukhulumele
aya
mine Piwes
yeah
for me
yeah
happy one
okay
usekutheni ngithola lokulenga ufunako hayi lama expectations zokuthi abantu ba expect ukuthi i-relationship ibe njani
okay yeah
i-relationship ke it's what we make mine na partner wami sinema rules wethu nje so
okay
kuthi ke Dube uthi hayi dali wakho ufuna bokuvulela sivalo la ungene
ukulethela timbali
nangabe mhlambe vele ngiyakuthatha ukuvulelwa sivalo ke ngibe sengiva ngathi kungenta ngathi ngivulnerable
yebo
kanti ucabanga ukuthi love ngilokuvulelwa sivalo sekufuneka ngicompromise tatana abamvulele nami
but bese iphizeni yakhala hayi athi amasi gentleman
uyasiva le statement sami ngithe it's what you make
okay
shothi lolo khalako iyakhe akusi definition ye love abakayicoci kahle na partner because into leni takhele ama rules wenu angeke anikhalisi unless khona lokuphuma konke ku script
yabona nje nalokuthi asikhulumi nasingena la relationship
oh yeah
number 1 ukuthi what do you expect mina Dube what do you expect from me because mina ngidawuchamka nema expectations abo for range la ungakhoni wena ngithi mina ngifuna ungivulele esivalo ngithi mina uthi uyangivulela kana ngifuna lokwedivani nama chocolate angwathandi
lokunye ochamuka ufuna to experimenta into live ikhuluma ngilomnye asinoma sengimtestelo cherry utawela yini vela ngikho mina
exactly angikho la ngilama expectations yabona hey yebo soba athole slave umuntu simgange simtrape slave queen simdibela papasi abuye ufuna kwenda la ngani mina angikho lapho lo ngakhulu
ahambe eceleni kwesicathulo solafuna kuplease kuwe
lapho phela
ngiyaxolisa kani I'm sorry
awusinzile amancebo
I'm sorry
ngathi wena Thokozani kulama expectations lesibanawo something abona asikhulume iqiniso Piwes ukuthi nathi nje sibosisi asesingakhulumeli mina nawe ukuthi sibosisi bonke ukuthi sinawo vele ama expectations la sento khanje uthi ngwabeke lentulu ama expectations hey ngifune bo Ferrero Rocher yethu ukuthi imali ayiphumi ngisho sayitatapi intwana ayiphumi ngisho kwamine nje ngithi nangibona le price vele ngithi ya angibuki but I am expecting Thokozani ukuthi ayithe na Thokozani nayo bese sotifaka le pressure phela ubona abantu labanye umuntu asibulala yambo social media
usiqedile
mina ngithi mina nami ngeke ngangena kule pressure phela ngibona abantu bafaka ngithi mina ngibona abantu bafaka whenever you are ready awusengifuna kufaka phela sengifuna sifake emahathi na baby phela kanje i-social media itasibulala Thokozani.
Ayi,
And in
uqinisile.
most of the time the things that they portray lapha akusiko behind the scenes. Asikhulumele iqiniso.
Akusetomba futhi.
And netivo labasimodela dona lapha kulamarele. Uhawukele Thokozani uze uthi
Ufuna ukufaka
sisi
utithole
Sisi.
sithandzana nemuntu ubongakafisi ukuthanda.
ngenxa yokuthi
Ngesimanga sothi nami ngifuna ukuvela.
sisi
Guys, no namhla ngivakashile namuhle. No, today I'm a visitor. Please guys, don't forget to like, to share and also to subscribe. You are still tuned in the Blue Art Podcast. Cha niyakhuluma. No niyakhuluma angifuni ukukhuluma emanga Nkosi yami. Yabona nibuyakhasha kunekufakshene kuseruchi.
Ingile peer pressure man. Peer pressure.
And you know what lokumchaza ngani no. You are not young now, right?
Yeah.
Senikhulile. You are now young adults.
Yeah.
And lezi nikhuluma ngazo is the things that you guys went through.
Yes.
And it's also the things that the young generation is going through.
Yeah, true.
Yakubona. And olukhuluma ngako kungiko vena. So niva ngazothi isalaphi?
Competition and comparison.
Yes, I wanted that one. Too much comparison.
Competition
versus
comparison.
Yes.
Uyathi asa ube nguwe nje.
Ube content.
Ube ngipiwe sujudadi. Usuyathi mina lokho angikwenti. Mina ngiyakwenta. Yes uqinisele vamisile kulikhuni kuthatha umgamu lomuthe ukuthi utitrain. Ugcina udiscover ukuthi uyathi mina ke la angeni.
But yapiwe yezina nto. Yabona nanokuthanza info guys. Ngilokunye lokusifaka etinfeni.
But uneplan kodwa.
Nithi mina uthanza info guys will be the death of us. Uyabona mina angifuni icambu nami. Yabona nami iPhone ngiyifuna guys. Asisikhulumeni iqiniso ukuthi uthanza info plus.
But usathini phela sokulesikhathi sakhona vele.
Ngiyakova but I can't ngiyofuna iPhone ya 20,000. Ngibekade kahle ukuthi I can't. Hey, nasobuka abantu bapostile itithombe lapha. Phela asikhulumeni abona iPhone nethombe tayo. Perfect.
Top quality.
Yeah. It's ngikhumbula ngisemvasi. Lo mnyesi sibeka 70 nje Samsung but i-ringtone yakhe beye iPhone. Yabona nje yabona nje sithatha ngayo tini. Ukuthi siyakuthatha. Iyanyusa phela sinalikhala thina sicawonza hayi. Vela ngoba phela ikhala lithi din. Ngesikhala singaguquki.
Ngicela futhi siyabuka
Exactly. Mbani iPhone. Siyabuka nothi
Yeah.
Thanza info the way we feel the death of. Isala lapho actually we love things kakhulu and we are not content with what we have.
Yeah, sure.
We want to
asifunzeni kunela
we are not content with what we have. We want more than we can have, than we can afford. We want a lot. Mina ngikholwa ukuthi ukuthi cha, we want more. Umfane bantfu hey atithukulule. Abe but now uzutiputa ukuthi ngabe ngitsakuthathe.
Nkosi yami. Nginje ngutata.
Akutate, Nkosi yami akuthathe phi.
So in another way we are saying lokho vele it leads to toxic relationships.
Yes, it does.
To a great extent.
It does. The love of things.
Yeah.
Because it goes back with asikhulumi Thokozani. Ukuthi you know ukuthi ngi-security guard ngola 2000. So uthi emafanele roshe ngwathatheki.
Udlule futhi lapho vamisile umkhulumela umfane bantu ngathi you entitled ukuthi akwendelele tini. Emadvodza sibili
Valentine ufuna
emadvodza sibili endalo
comparison
yes.
and competition
and entitlement. We are it's in a ngathi because Thokozani is my boyfriend now. I am entitled ukuthi angendele ini. Can that is not the case. Thokozani uyangendela because uyafuna and uyakhona angamfaki ekoneni ngithi Thokozani ufuna ukuthengela iwi ufuna ukuthengela itoilet agende because uyakufuna.
Sinjalo sathi khandlile ke Thokozani Nkosi yami longa afford wakwendela
ubekiswa ngami
ukhona
ulocela kwethu phela wena uyabona
uzani afforda mina kahle mina
asikasho ukuthi afford siyabekisa
utagcina singabekisi vele ngami
mina mitshering ngithengele iPhone keep her out.
Okay
phila kahle
bengisala ekuthenini sazamile ngoba Thokozana kazami sazamile kevusi
yebo
wakuthenga nkosami indola angayi-afford
okay
lo vamsile lamthengela kakakhona ngisho nalokubonga
oh yeah
ngendlela lefike lento ibe buhlungu ngayo sakhani na ungakabonga asakhi nayi toxicity
yebo esimpiwe ngisesekunaye ukuthi so uthengile Thokozani so tikhandlile because now uthengela umuntu kukhona lento le yakhako la nakulesithi yini investment but utawuthi okay vamsele ngimthengela abo iPhone ngimthengela ini ema toiletry vamsele kahle kahle sebabani nakithi vamsele jump utawuthini how high angithi qala lapho uthi into about toxicity kusinanga bese ngingasakufuni mina tawubuya Thokozana tonkumbulo singeke plan ukuthi exactly qala lapho yabo thi qala njani toxicity kuthi ngeke ungishiye wena mina ngikwendele lokho ngakubhadala sike sakuva Thokozani one way or the other ukuthi bakhona bo boyfriend wami owangibhadalela isikole but nyalo angisamfuni awusamfuni kanjani
ngeke vele
but angikwenzela izinto but ngiyenza izinto lezi normal
not the extreme things
yes
but mangabe ngisemathandweni mfethu like I'm in love mfethu
ngake ngeva mina bathi
ugcwele ngawo
how many people kepha you can't give advice to but ngathi ukuthi kunamunye uthi yabona umuntu lo in love
ngeke
you will never give
person
advice
umsize
yabona
mina nje ngisenkingeni nje mina ngisenkingeni
wena
mina I'm in love
wena nje akhulunywa yakhe insana
but you can never give a person lo in love advice uyabona lelithando lukhunga konke la
yes you can't think straight
noma ngabe athi uyamshaya athi uyamthanda lo muntu this is love
ngendlela la in love ngayo Dube lo muntu wakhe ngathi akammeme asuke na endlini yombeke eTown ameme ngendlela la in love
exactly nyalo angathiwa nyalo imali nyalo
kwathi
yeah angathashaya sis waDube la avela athi khathi lapha ahamba
khathi
la the way ithando lelikhulu hey and lilakuvala thanda ungaboni nix
siveni kahle kodwa asisho ukuthi ningathandi love is a beautiful thing
nako
but be in control of your love
and be
linga control wena lithandvo lithandvo liyafuneka nami ngiyalifuna Dube high low
kude lo
kodwa ke alinga ku control lithandvo
and you must be
khona ku reason usela amathandweni umbone right na wrong
and umbone uwade phela kusho lo apologize ukuthi I am sorry nako ke lokunye lalela host
yabo mntisenginye namuhla
siyaluthi konke sisithine be able to apologize nako lokubulela most relationships we are not able to apologize and we apologize with emotions sike sakhuluma
nje you mean it
yes kuthi maye enyamazane ngiyaxolisa lana akahambi siyahlula sivele sithatha na icarpet sifaka kuthi the day we explode things happen
you know ngese ujuba khona amagama akakhulungele ngelijaha la kaMakhanya Kenneth Makhanya wathi ke Kenneth mangabe ungumuntu uyaphila ufuna ukuphila kunemagama la ngu3 ngiyacela ngiyabonga ngiyaxolisa
yes
bekaqiniseka
lawo magama yamakhulu
mina nje Dube ngenhlitiyo yami yonke angimthandi awu ngingamane ngikwende ngoba so awunginike naliti eish ngakwenda vele mhlambe vele ngiyitelele eligunya lokuthi ngithangifuni but lokhu kunika kwami
akusiko lobunanzi
angimthandi
yebo ngicela ungende
simple asimbhadareni futhi lokumbhadara simple
so you guys lokho nikusho nikhuluma from experience nima bani hate nabona ukuthi ayi ziyakhala lana
ubephuma lapho
isikhulile Dube uyasibona sikhulile nayi impendulo lapho sikhulile Dube
phuma lapho
so then mhlawumbe ngabuza nje ukuthi let's say a young person she's in a relationship or he's in a relationship right what are the symptoms lofuna ukuthi awabone or the signs ukuthi lana ngathi siya ku toxic relationship noma vele seyiqale toxic because what we have seen the toxicity phela ayigcini la ukukhulumeni
kuphela true
igcina say leader to stalking kunengi igcina sile to violence kuyashaywana igcina sile leader to gcina umuntu sekayakuthukwana umuntu soyabulawa yakubona so uwabona njani ama red flags ukuthi
inkinga ke
lana yes as a female asengibeke kanjalo angifuna ukuza the female version
asengithathe simi uyabona kokuqala nje Dube
Yeah.
lenza ukuthi nanicabene failure to solve ema problems enu
Okay.
that's number 1.
Okay.
Uyabona nangabe ningakhoni ukusothatha inkinga or nive ngathi le nkinga le there's nothing such as a minor there's nothing such as a minor problem. If it is a problem, that problem needs to be sorted. Okay. Buka ngishaya singisi but it's okay. That problem needs to be sorted because ndabekisa manje ndabekisa ngemold yayibona imold iqala incane usiyekelele sinkwa ngithi uyaqhubeka tagcile sinkwa sesidlekile because tawungede kati kwaloko thina nje sibose sisigcine sesithi thokozani and siyakwazi nalokubalelana sheme nami ekhathi uyakwazi ukuthi wena na last week wenda nje uyakubona that's a red flag if nangabe andibabhudi waze wathi ngicela sikhulume bacoshile
mina uthole nosuda ukhuluma naye
kahle
uzovuka sikhuluma
mina ngikwalinda lokuthetha yedwa benonke nje buya sikhuluma sofuna sithi fahla nje
I think lapho ukuthi na umene nikhulume vele ngibanga sesinye isikhathi asiyadina the right time
nilele ebusuku vuka sikhuluma
yabona ukuthi siyayibaqa lapho ukuthi ebusuku sekuyakhuluma but to a young person there are so many red flags but one of them being that failure to talk about my problems and relationships kuya njenge crack ntwana uyibona ukuthi hayi nayila incane ibuye kuyabhangeka next thing itawukuwa 10:04 gilikithi sekuyawo so I think that's ngidawusho kunye utawungeda sim but nje lokungakhulumisi leti inkinga la relationship kuthi yathi kuthi lana na ungikhulumisa kanjena mina akungehle kahle uyakubona mina ngingathanda ukuthi sesikhulumisane kanje ku relationship and even worse ntwana lama red flags siyawabhanga siwabhanga singene emshadweni sithi emshadweni hayi
tawulu kanye kusalunga mbamba
bese sekuyaqhubeka uze uthi khanza ukuthi bashade bo 6 months
ngemva kwaloko divorce
exactly yabona so there are so many red flag red flag now uyibona ungayicimethele and if you can't address it kude lo ngakwenda you need to look for angisho ukuthi vele nihambe but nje khona lo address sako lokunye ungathi na ku red flag uvela uphuma uhambe there are some things that ungakhona ukukhulumisana naye partner wakho yabo so the toxicity ungakhona ukukhulumisana naye ayiveli iqhamuke and uye athi lomnye babe wakanzima uthi toxicity ayiveli thing njengoba nje sinadubi satana lapha ngisima strangers good toxicity lapha but to the toxicity lekhona nami there's something I must have contributed now as a man there's something that you must both of us
I come nemunye
yes I come ngemuntu munye sonke nje sifika ne toxicity bethu sonke nje even worse when children are involved
true sinabo labalimala kakhulu
simphiwe Nkosi yami
nabo labalimala kakhulu solo sithi sihlalele bamfabeni kanti siyabalimata abamfana kusasa kutaba ngibo laba ba toxic
exactly bese sobuthi wena waba kanjena ufute bani kanti phela labantwana and we can't run away from the fact that bantwana abanyalo are so smart they see things uqala hayi she's 2 years old
akabona
exactly
uyabona
angithi lento ukuthi ngihlalele abantwana if even the young person uthola ukuthi mina ngimisa ku KFC ngimenzela konke kanti there's toxicity kule relationship athi abangani bathi hayi mina ngihlalela imali ngiphatha kahle but there's toxicity in the relationship kubhlungu kakhulu
kakhulu
ngikuphi lo ngeke sikubona like the signs yakubona ukuthi lana ngiyeke la
lenye info ngedobe lo ufuna uyinake yeke ukuthi inyalo hayi le relationship usayifuna ba toxic lesikhathi lo muntu sonda ngathi ke wena ukuthanza kakhulu akukhweshise kulabanye bami afuna kube nguwe naye asali ukuthi phela vele iyafuneka iquality time but kukhona lokuthi nangithi ngivele navamsile hey angimthanzi lo mkando wakho lona
lo mkando leyo ina love bombing love bombing
uvela nalomunye nazodwa kusasa nazodwa kamuva kahle ngivela nateketile utawuvabali
yebo ke
utawuvabali sigcina utawuwela lo mfundo athi naloma kwakho mani ngathi akakuphathisi kweAdam
say problem
ngiyabekisa vele kumuntu lomusha lo sahlala ekhaya so ugcine nawe so urebele ekhaya awusakhuteki ngesimanga sathokoza nje ukuthi kuva ngathi nguye kuphela lokuthanza caphele lokho ucaphele lokho lelithandvo lokubese ngathi seliyadlulela lishaye emagaloni hayi libukisise kahle
maybe to ngiyali expose ke manje wena angicale ngawe vale what has worked for you when I understand good relationship is not perfect no one is perfect yabo but yini lokusizile lokuthi at least le relationship uyibone ukuthi you know what siyaqhubha nomuntu wakhe hayi ukuthi after 2 months so move on after 2 months so move on ziyakhala ke manje
ziyakhala okay Dwadu what has worked for me is that me
personally
bathi ngiyisi wathi personally ayikho inzaba
wathi me
wathi me wathi ayikho asengithi ke personally I think what has worked for me is that I putting my differences aside lokho ukuthi mina ngingivabisile ngwakasimelane ngikhani mina vele ngeke ngivuthe ngitshele mina ngiyasebenza hey I'm independent ngishaya ngemoto lapha ngaphandle what can you tell me yakubona you put that aside ukuthi la the energy I will put is the energy I will receive and I am receiving that energy
true
the energy lengifaka kule relationship ngeke I think katheni asengibeyisa ngakatheni nje I think ngisakhula so benginale expectation yokuthi the guy has to call me always I won't call the guy so now I do the calling he does the calling it's a 50-50 thing yes issues okay angangeni ma issues
ngena ma issues
I think lapho it's a learning curve washo lo mntwana I think it's a learning curve
sifuna ma issues
I do.
Lalela
ntwana it's a learning curve. Ukuthi we still sisabancane guys. We still need to learn ukuthi when we have issues siwatheklisha kanjani. Okay. Angathi ukuthi kungentiwa kanjani noma sekufika fika umfundisi. Yabona ukuthi akasichushise sibantu labasha ukuthi when you have issues in a relationship this is how you handle them. Uyabo because kwanyalo mina ngisanalo ukuthi okay it's fine because at some point kutongena endokudlodla ngithi yabona ukuthi wena awundi kahle nanini besikhuluma yona lentsaba le yakubona
so benithini
nanini besikhuluma lentsaba le so I don't want you to get there ukuthi nanini besikhuluma lokho nanini yakubona so kufanele angathi but vele bebacinisele nabazenze ema relationship you need to be very mature yakubona but nje what has worked for me is that awungayiki ku relationship with that mindset ukuthi mina I am I'm a social worker I have a degree I have a car I have a house I am just me exactly I think that has worked for me ukuthi ngeke nje ngithi angincengi and whatever now manje and if there's one thing alengithanda ngami ayikuthi ngiyadumisa Nkosi yami dumise being able to apologize when I'm wrong and bosisi sengikhulumela bonke bosisi
avama ukuxolisa
kimi
awukazi ukuxolisa kimi
I learned that in a very
over ihliziyo ithi yabona angifani ukuxolisa nyalo but nyalo
ayinebengakwathi mbamba
ukuxolisa
it wasn't my thing
washa manje bobe sebenza njani
beseta lapho ukuthi sikhipha njani mina to be honest guys ngaba fortunate
yakhala ke manje
ushida ukuthi soyas expose
expose
akunankingi
mina ngibe fortunate ukukhuluma iqiniso wena vana bengingilokhu lokucetha ngisho ngathola a loving somebody and a patient guy mina njena nayisukile beyitabi tawubona ukuthi isonto njani kanake
impi yamasotsha
bengaye emuva tetela burawo washa bengimuta nje ukuthi sokuphela 2 days solakhuluma siye baba sona ufuna ikhulume ngidakila liboneni ngafunza alobeka kwenda yena kimi nithi uthi wena usakwatile umbombi le wambomba ngemagabathe 5 minutes times over ye baby ukhuluma nokukhulile phela mina kwagcina kwaphuma la sina nje sithathwa nyalo siyacoca futhi
yeah ngithi mina the silent treatment uyabona Thokozani nicabane nizona la ngiphethe munye lapho nicabene nishayisana ngemahlombe nje ubona nje uva ngemablade nje
bonke bantwana kukhulunywa ngebantwana
babe athi ngaphothela make ukuthi wasakhanda labantwana uyabona ukuthi there are so many things leti hambela past that contribute to toxic relationships. Toxic relationships is not just ukuthi siyashayana, even the words that we use. It's a lot.
Manje Simphiwe now ngiyaqhubeka ngikuexpose. Siyazizwa indaba zakho. No, you need to come for another episode. Guys, funa babuye lapho one-on-one session.
Mina ngosho nje.
Ngiyaqala mina. So bangale expose kanje.
So Simphiwe, what has worked for you? Right. What has worked for you?
For me, njengoba ngishito ukuthi ngathi bekungimi lamathatha. Inkinga beyila kimi. I learned ngayivumela i-change. Ngashintsha. Ngatibuta lo ukuthi wenda njani yena lokuthi noma sicabene achubeke abe loving. Ngase ngiyafunza ke nami ukuthanza wholeheartedly.
I like that.
Uyabo sagcina sesiku same page.
Power to that.
Dinqenge noma ngabe uyadadi nje ukuthi uyimfombe yakeni wena sikhala sicathulo sakho but naso une partner
umaqhuzu
akube seceleni inkosi yami ukuthi wena uyindlovukazi yakeni Tanzanani
Simphiwe yilimnazi ukuthi I changed she allowed herself
I allowed to change kabuhlungu
wayivuma into
bekungasimnanzi angifuna ukukhuluma iqiniso akusilula akusimnanzi
but it was worth it
it was worth it it was ngilesikhathi urealize ke ukuthi uyathi le thando likhona bekusolo kungimle stumbling block sokuthi ngivele thambo ngoba lesikhathi kuba ngwele nginga uyikhombe kulomuntu kani nguwe
the problem so kukumnanzi kuba relationship that's very nice it's very nice but again the change la khuluma ngayo some things what I noticed is that letinye izinto ngiyedide kalula
okay
and kuze ukuthi njengoba asho nje ukuthi her partner wamkhomba lendlela and she allowed herself to be led by the guy nyalo nje sebahamba they're cruising nice they're cruising
what's malema we are cruising nice
we're cruising nice otherwise let us not make love this
so complicated
it's not complicated love is a very beautiful thing it's a very beautiful thing
utawukhona kuthanda
man but in Nigeria love is a very beautiful as love is a very beautiful
so guys sesiyayivala manje sesiyagcina right please guys don't forget to like to share and to subscribe
and that notification
that inqinqini
yes
now I want you guys to take this opportunity right the last opportunity what's your advice to the young generation who is in a relationship or who wants to get into a relationship or who has been in a relationship umjolo wamnyesa but ufuna ukubuyela what's your advice nokuqala ngawe mfana
Dobe okay Dobe
the advice general advice
first and foremost says Shito ngosiyami love is a very beautiful thing love it Abel but life is beautiful but love is a very beautiful thing. Two, allow yourself to be loved. Khona nje lo wade ukuthi wena okay man uthi wena you'll be the one always receiving love. You must be able to give love yourself. But kuze ukuthi nawe uthole lelithando linikete phela nawe lelithando. Linike lelithando and kuloke wahlala bamhetha wabuyela emjolweni ngifuna ukuthini kuloyo you must know your worth nangabe over ngathi you are not loved because khona lam expectations lo nawo na ukuthi mina I want to be loved and kulokuthandwa ngithini kulokuthandwa kwakho khona umuntu lokho aze meet expectations but akuthanze but letento takho uthula umunye umhlabele itento temuntu uyakhuluma yabo asisho ukuthi open the door buy me a rose washo lo munye umhlabele cha but Luther but your actions. Uyabona? Kuthi yathi ukuthi edube kude ukuthi ungishayela usemsebenzini manje. Ngabe ugcokile yini?
Nkosi ya.
Ugcokile. Yathi ukuthi mina nami 20 rand ngicothe ngalicoffee lapha ePick n Pay. 20 rand. Mina bake bangineta 20 rand bathi angabe ngiyothenga ikheke.
Wangalithenga.
Ngalithenga.
Uyamthemba?
Angithawa zawo.
Bathi banginika lo 20 rand. Now
Ngithe lokho ikheke kwalithenga.
But love is a beautiful thing.
Yeah.
It's a very beautiful thing, and the way the relationship it is what you and your partner make it to be.
Yeah.
That is my advice.
Wow.
You ever think ngisi?
Yeah, yakuzwe.
So, kuze ukuthi le relationship ihambe kahle, ngeke Thokozani yetfana akhone kuthela oil kule engine. Kuze ukuthi le relationship ihambe igaye kahle njengemshini. Nawe phela ungsisi. You need to meet the man halfway. Kusho bani ukuthi bobudide imbala bathanzi? Yabona? Kusho bani ukuthi buda kamfuni 30 rand wekhaya.
Siyafuna.
Uyabafuna nabo nangabukhona ungsisi nayo uyakwendela. Nayo uyakwendela. Put on the same effort. Yes. Put on the same effort. Nangabe nje ubuye emsebenzini ukhanza lapha bakuthengele iPS I love you. Mendele phela naye.
Yes, yathi nawe ibirthday yakhe ebhuti.
Yebo.
Diwa yakho phela.
Hawu.
Yawini team.
Message lapha uyifaka team message aze active ukuthi hey yabona la. Hey
manje ninayo khona
hayi bathi kumnandi
bathi. So ngithi mina ngisendele message noma ngithi babe I love you uze thanks.
Awusathi noma uthi thanks wale relationship yonke nje sesibongile.
Okay, sharp, sure.
But yes, no. But my last advice is put the same effort as the man.
Okay, sure.
Yes, simple.
Mina guys, asesiqaleni la ukuthi thandzeni thina iqala. True. Sitokhona ukuthi sidlule sithandze lo munye.
Yeah.
2 guys, asesingachamngini ne-past experience yokufaka relationship lensha. Wonke umuntu mumnikete the benefit of the doubt. Akuprove wrong yena ubese so uyasho ukuthi nalokho kwaphinze kwangiphinze. Uyabona? Bathi ke uphinze vele kuyendeka ukugishaya double uthi ngithi ngibalekela senako sekuyangiphinza futhi. Bathi noma sekuphinzile lo tawuqhamuka asimraphe phela lo kwentekile. Sibese sesiyamnika naye usho ke vele ukuthi hayi vele kona bangiteka. Uyabo bathi nje guys nasingenani ku relationship asirabheni konke kona kusilula. Uthi nje asengimbone nangivusi nangithayisini ukuthi ungichamukela naye. Sena sekakwendile ke so ungasho ukuthi Tyson hayi lokuthi emadvoth. So uyasho Tyson unje ungenda kwekuthi umlahle Tyson umthole lo muntu naye lo yindasho uthi Thokozani.
But that
bangulahla futhi uqale akuze
ngathi ukuthi ngathini mina eduze
uzazumthole lo kahle.
Mina njengoba ngishido ngathi I learned the hard way. Mina ke ngacishe ngaba nenkani bathi ngide washo bengithi
washa tu
bathi angidlala baze bangangidlali ngimlahle ngithole lo munye ngimlahle ngithole angamtholi inyalo
Sibali ayakuvuma Sibali.
But then again la kusho Simphiwe it also applies to men. Kuthi nani ningachamuki with this uthi emantombazane hey ayaxuthana hey mawivi naye mnikete a clean slate as well. Same goes to both genders. Yes,
true.
Yes.
Guys, thanks so much. Ela kufuneka enye episode lana. No guys ngiyacela ngicela ukubhuka futhi for another episode. Kunenge ngifuna sikukhulume cha asikaqedi. Kunenge ngifuna hayi asikaqali. Guys, thanks so much. It was such a roller coaster. Say roller.
We were rolling.
We were cruising nice. Guys, from the Blue Heart Podcast, namhlanje, thanks so much. Please don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe and
hit that notification bell.
Love is a beautiful thing.
Love is a beautiful thing.